Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to create a React project using vite, and in this project, the project is based on TypeScript. So we have here React, vite and TypeScript, and both are very popular and they are gaining popularity every day. Or if you want to see how popular a technology is, what I'm doing is, in general, I'm going to npm and I'm look on the weekly downloads. Okay, so you see that it started, this is for a year, so last year it was about 10 million and now it's 15 million, so increase of 15 millions. If you look at vite npm, and you will see that 1 year ago it had 50,000 weekly downloads, and now more than 10 times. Okay, and vite is the tool that I'm using to create the project. It is as instead of create React app, and I have a whole video why vite is better than create React app, and I will add the link in the description. And TypeScript is also gaining popularity. So 1 year ago it has maybe 19 million weekly downloads, and now again an increase of 50%. So both React and vite and TypeScript are popular, and they are gaining popularity every day. So my target is to create a React project using vite and using TypeScript. So how to do it? And I'm using VS Code. So I'm going to open a folder, and this will be my folder. And I need to go to the terminal and do npm init vite latest. And you can choose here the project, my app TypeScript. You can choose the name here, and you can choose here the technology. I'm choosing React, and here I want to choose TypeScript, so I'm choosing this. And now I will go inside this, and I will target my VS Code to this directory. Okay, I will close this, and now I'm inside the project. So first, what I need to do, I need to install the dependency. And you can see here package.json. These are the dependency and dev dependency. These dependency are related to TypeScript, and also this. And this is the structure of the project. It looks similar to create React app, but it's much lighter. And you see here TS. TS is the extension for TypeScript. And you can see inside here src app.tsx. So this is how component, the extension for the component. Instead of JSX, you have TSX also here. Okay, so meanwhile we can look. Okay, we can look inside. I don't know why I got these red marks, but now it is okay. And I can run it. npm run dev. This will run my project, and I can click here and see the application running, and this is TypeScript. Okay, and if you want to make sure that it is TypeScript, I can create a variable let number equal 1, and it is working. This is TypeScript. Okay, you can use types. Okay, so this is how you create a React project using TypeScript and vite. Thank you.